The action continues here on this Saturday night as we go back to the ring.
The following trios contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from Tokyo, Japan, Mina Shirakawa.
Mina Shirakawa has more than enough reason to get back into the ring.
Joining her, JB Hayter and Alex Windsor, the Brawling Birds.
The Brawling Birds and Mina Shirakawa in this trios match here live on Collision. Back to the ring
And
to
their
go.
opponents, Dixie Excess, Amina Belmont, and Haven Harris.
Harris, Nikki, and Belmont will face the Brawling Birds. And there you see the British women's champion. Mina Shirakawa had her shot at becoming world champion, but thanks to some brass knucks, denied by Tekla.
Well, I say birds of a feather flock